let's take a look and review the Ryobi utility knife. So it's very lightweight. That's the first impression of it. It fits nice in the hand, as you can see. However, I do think this may be in the wrong position, because when we press it out like that to expose the blade, I haven't got a blade in just at the moment, it does feel that may be a little in the way. If you don't mind your thumb being in this hole here, it is grippy and you don't feel like you'll slip off. However, I'm not sure if it's ergonomically designed perfectly. Perfect for little jobs and things like that. However, I'm not sure my thumb being in that hole is very comfortable. That's my only negative and the point I can pick out on it. But it does come with 3 spare blades, which you find in the handle here. You can pull this out, and there's the blades. So we can take a blade out. As you can see, let's take all of them out. It's just for these, just new. Close the handle, put the blade in like that. You do need to press this button down, like that, and you'll feel it click. There you go. And then you can change the position like that. It does have multiple positions, so there's 1 position, 2 position, and then the final position, which is fully extended. Do I recommend it? If you're a Ryobi fan, yes, maybe. However, that's one point I would make, that this slot here is okay, but not the most comfortable utility knife I've ever held. I do like this feature though, when it's fully extracted, it turns into a rope cutter or anything like that. See, you can get a rope in there and cut it. However, if you want to check out the latest price on this, check the link in the description. I'd say it's well worth checking out if you're a Ryobi fan. Nice little storage handle there. Yeah, for the price, it's an okay utility knife. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and hopefully this video has given you a few little pointers to see if it's worth buying the Ryobi utility knife. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.